Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Bolt.new app. So what is Bolt.new? So it's an AI app which with the help of it you can create apps and websites by just writing the prompts. So it's basically a no code low code tool. So in this video we are going to just create a basic to do app with local storage. So I'm just going to write my prompt here, or what I'll do is I'll go to Gemini and I'll just write a prompt that generate a prompt for bold.new for a to-do app with local storage, and it should have modern CSS and use space grotesque font. So it will think for a little bit, and then what it will do is we don't want the code. You can just okay, it's giving us the code, so we'll just ignore it and we'll open Gemini again, and I'll just write it, create a prompt for bold.new for a to do app with modern CSS and local storage, use space grotesque font. Okay, so it has created as a prompt, so you can just copy this and paste it in Bolt and just click enter, and now prompt will write the whole code and it will also show the preview, and you can deploy it to Netlify. So and once you deploy it to Netlify, you can share this app to other people and you get 500k tokens daily. So right now I've used 3k already by creating this app. So we'll just see the code here, and it uses React.js, and in that it uses Vite. So you can see it's writing all the code automatically. And now once this whole code has been written, then it will show us the preview. So you can see the preview here, and this Google Gemini. So we will read the prompt. So it should have modern CSS, utilize a clean, minimalist, responsive design, and then font space grotesque, allow users to add to do items, allow users to mark to do items as complete, incomplete, delete the to do items, display a clear visual distinction between complete and incomplete, store all the to do items using local storage, and user interface, a prominent input field for adding new task, list area to display current task, clear button or icons for marking complete and deleting tasks, and ensure the layout is responsive, looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. So you can see our app is ready. So I'll just do like bring the, or I'll just say order groceries. So you can see a task has been added. If I complete this, it will be added to uncompleted, and then I'll do like drink 5 glasses of water before 10 a.m. Okay, so if I keep this complete and incomplete, so you can see one is pending, one is completed, and then you can do clear completed, so that one gets deleted. So yeah, this is how you create apps using Bolt.new. You can create more such apps, like more apps which have a proper database, which have a proper backend. They can be connected to Supabase. So you can see when you go to integrations, you can add a Supabase integration. Then you can also add payments to your project, and then if you deploy this to GitHub, then you can clone it to your system and then do the changes according to you. And if you click on deploy, so now when I click on deploy, so it will deploy to Netlify. So Netlify is a hosting platform. So once this get deployed to Netlify, it will give us a link to claim that website to be ours. So you can see this is the link. And now if I go to my Netlify, and I'll just log in with my GitHub Bolt account. You can see this. So I'll just click on project configuration. I'll just change the project name to to-do app, and I'll just save it. Okay, and I'll code it to do app. Now if you go to this link, then you can see this app and try it. So yeah, code it to do app. So to do flow, your elegant task management companion. So this is how you create apps using Bolt.new. You can create, like, there are endless possibilities. You can create many more advanced apps, and you can add payments to your app. You can add database, and then if you want to write the code on your, like, on your own, then you can export it to GitHub and then just clone it to your system and then write the code. So it's a very useful tool, and it's by StackBlitz. So StackBlitz has this tool called as Bolt.new. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like my content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.